DJ Earn. DJ Earn. DJ Earn.
Hey, have you ever found yourself in High Point, North Carolina and not feeling safe?
There is an abandoned hospital that sits right off of Interstate 74. And from what I can tell, it's been abandoned for a very long time. I'm doing this because I lost all my ground footage. It's been abandoned since about, that's 2002. And if we look, somewhere around 2010, they stopped using it. I don't know any names of the hospital or anything like that. But we're going to check it out with my new DJI Mavic Mini 2. So let's get it up in the air and check it out.